Hi, today we're building a custom PC. This PC is going to be for extreme gaming. So this is the setup for that computer. The case is going to be Xilence Black Hornet. Okay, that's going to be the case. Motherboard is a Gigabyte Z77. Okay, that's the chipset. CPU i7 3770. That's the third generation i7, the Ivy bridge. Okay, the power supply, the PSU. We've got a Corsair TX850. We need a decent power supply because we're going to be using a heavy graphics card. Graphics card, 2 GB Nvidia Geforce GTX 670. Okay, this is an excellent graphics card. Memory, we have Vengeance DDR3 8 GB. That's 2x4 GB sticks, and they'll be running at 1600. Okay, our drives. The HDD is going to be a 1 TB Western Digital Black Caviar, and the SSD, we've got an Agility 3 for the SSD. Okay, so that's the components. Let's put it together and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've got the computer together. Nice black finish. Let's have a look at the case. Right, so on our output panel here, one PS2 port for mouse and keyboard, 2 USB 2s. You got some USB 3s here. You've got your LAN, and then you've got your HD sound out. You got your graphics cards out, which also has the mini VGA as well as the HDMI. And here's the input for your power. Okay. Front of the panel, the on-off, the resets, 2 USB 3s, an eSATA, and your sound outputs for your headphones and your microphone. Simple DVD-RW. Here we have the hot swap drive bays. Those are not in use at the moment. 12cm fan on the front for cooling the hard drives. Another 12cm fan on the back. Okay. If you like, you can add further fans on the top, or there's also space here for water cooling if you need it. Okay, so inside the box, the drives are concealed behind this case here. There we go. So there's your HDD, here's your SSD. If you buy this case, you don't need to buy rails for the SSD. It's got a place for your solid state drive right there. Everything went together quite well. The only issue that I did have, if you do buy this case, the back panel, there's not that much space between the cover and the back panel. I would have liked to have put more cabling behind like this power cable, but there's no space. Okay, so some of the cables you're gonna have to keep them on this side of the panel. Okay, so inside the case, showing you the storage. You have a base for your optical drives, DDR3, nice and easy, quick in, quick out. Here we have our, you can see our CPU, our 2 sticks of RAM, 4 gig and 4 gig. Here's our most excellent graphics card, the GPU. This is Geforce GTX 670. The power supply sits at the bottom of the case, and in the background you can see our black motherboard. Okay, it's all looking very nice and smart. Okay, let's switch it on. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. On the top here we have a port where you can plug in either your 3.5 inch or full size SATA hard drives. Okay, it has a bay, and you can plug it in there. Okay, so let's switch it on. This machine has been set up with the Intel Smart Response technology. So we're using the solid state drive as a cache to accelerate the hard disk, the 1 terabyte hard disk. So if we go to my computer here, you can only see the hard drive. You cannot see the solid state drive that's being used as the cache. For you gaming enthusiasts out there, this sort of configuration is high end, top of the line. If you've got the money and you can afford this, this will run games like Battlefield 3 and you'll be steady 60 frame rates per second. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching.